let's take a look why killing is justified. We already explained that it is justified because they already extremely violate other people by killing other people, ladies and gentlemen. They lose their mind, and why should the government doesn't prove to us why these criminals have the right to live. We already explained to you why they don't have the right to live, because they already violate other people's rights. The government fails to prove to elaborate to us why these people still have the right to live at the end of the day. So therefore, killing is justified at the end of the day. So why keep them, ladies and gentlemen? So now, if you keep them, let's look at when you keep them, ladies and gentlemen. When you keep them, I'm going to talk. If you're going to keep them, ladies and gentlemen, we already said that the jail doesn't have enough space, doesn't have enough security to watch over these people not to break, ladies and gentlemen. So if you have more and more criminals in the jail, and you have the same security at the end of the day, these criminals are allowed to escape. And at the end, after these criminals are allowed to escape, they are allowed to kill again, ladies and gentlemen. So now, let me move to the idea of innocence that the government brought up. They say that the 23 people of over 100 years are being killed, but we say that is 100 years. That is not much for a national security of 100% guarantee that these criminals are not going to create any black cash again, ladies and gentlemen. Only 23. So, and we already say that we have a check and balance system. We already respect them. We already allow them to appeal their own case and express their own evidence to people. So if they say that, okay, if they say that the number of the innocents are much, why don't you increase the enforcement of this check and balance system to make it better, rather than abolishing it and create more harm at the end of the day? So even if you say that if innocents are found and the government image are seen bad, we say that works on both cases. Why is that? Because your proposal are keeping the innocent in the jail at the end of the day. So we already explained that if you keep the innocents in the jail and they notice that, and one day you notice that they are innocent, the government image this also hinders the government this also hinders the government image at the end. So now let's move on to the third point. The third point is that, are the government legitimate to bring up capital punishment? We see that we need to teach the society why killing people for pleasure is wrong. But in order to teach these values, we need awareness, ladies and gentlemen. And this awareness is capital punishment. But and this is a high awareness. Just keeping people in jail is not awareness. They haven't proved to us why keeping people in jail creates social awareness. While our proposal already proven to you why capital punishment create awareness. And if they prove to us why, even if the capital punishment doesn't create awareness, how does keeping these people in jail create awareness at the end of the day? So therefore government is legitimate enough to bring capital punishment to keep this awareness and to keep the fairness to all people.